Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to use a loop control statement, right? So there are three different ways to use a loop control statement. The one is a for loop, second is a while loop, and third is a do while loop. So you can watch the previous videos for the demos of for loop and while loop. So in this demo I am going to show you how to use a do while loop and what is the syntactical differences. Yes, so as you can see here, I have declared the header files. Header files is all the declarations of the functions which are already available. Int main is the entry point where I am going to write my statements. Set vbuff is the statement that I have to write because Eclipse is having a bug, right? Int inum is the variable declaration where I am just going to use these variables in a program. Printf is the statement where I am going to write it on the console, so user is going to get the information. Scanf is the reading the number which is entered by the user. Now I am going to say here I equal to 0, or I can say I equal to 1. So what is this? I equal to 1 is the initial value of the I variable which I am going to use, and then I am going to write do. So what is this do? Do is actually I am going to write a loop here. So do is the start. Start means you can start iterating here, right? And then you can write here while I less than equal to 10. So what is this? I less than equal to 10 is the condition, and do is the start of the loop, while is the end, and means end of the loop. I have to put a semicolon here to end the loop, and then I have to write my statement here. So I can write here printf, and then I can write here /n %d format specifier into %d equal to %d. Now I have to put here a num at the beginning, then I, and then num into I. So what is this? This is num, which is I am going to print at the beginning, is the number which is entered by the user. I is the iterating value that I have to multiply each time, that starts from the 1 up to 10, and num into I will print the multiplication of the number, right? And I have to increment the value, so I have to say I plus plus. Okay, so let me just build the project. So as you can see here, 0 errors and some warnings. Let's skip it. So yeah, so I have to go to run. So you can say right click on the file and say run, and then say local C++ application and say run. So as you can see, enter the number to get the table. So if I'm going to enter 2, I'm getting the table of the 2. So this 2 stands for num. I is going to increment each time, and there is a multiplication just next to this, right? So let me explain the code once again. So as you can see here, I told you these are the header files which I have to write every time because I am using the built-in functions like printf and scanf. This is the entry point, that is your main function that you have to write, right, to print to enter into the program. Set vbuff is the small bug in say Eclipse, right? So that's why I have to use this statement. I have already explained this in previous videos. Int inum is the variables that I am going to use in my program. Printf is the statement which is printed on the console to get the information, means to give the information to the user what he has to do. Scanf is the number which is entered by the user is going to read. So scanf is going to read the number entered by the user. I equal to 1 is the initial value, right? So here I am going to initialize the value. Do is the start of your loop, and then printf is the statement that is going to iterate wrap min up to the condition is true. I is plus plus is incrementing the value each time, and while I less than equal to 10 is the condition, right? So what is major difference between while and do while is do starts iterating first and checks the condition at the end, whereas while starts checking condition first and iterates later. So this is the main difference. So there is one more difference is Do while prints the data at least once even if condition is wrong, whereas while does not print, right, if condition is wrong. Yes, so guys, thank you very much for watching the video, right? So you can